The primary difference between coaching and mentoring. So, coaching believes the answers are within you. And so, your coach is more of like a guide or facilitator to kind of ask you the right questions, approach the conversation with curiosity, and like pull the answers out of you, or you come to your own insights and ahas based on the dialogue. Whereas a mentor, I would specifically come with, I've got this problem, or I'm running into this, or this is a challenge I have. And she would always give me either something she's done in the past, or help me brainstorm ideas, or give me advice. So it was more like me coming with a problem and her listening and telling me based on her experience what she's tried, what worked, her shortcomings and how she learned from that, what she would do differently. Whereas you're not really going to get that from a coach. So I would say they're similar in that they're both, you get out of it what you put into it. And so they always say in coaching, your client should be working harder than you are. Like if you're the one like racking your brain for the next best question and working so hard in that session, you're doing it wrong. So your client really has to come with this openness and their own kind of internal curiosity and an expectation that they're not going to be provided the answers. The answers are within themselves. And I think the same with mentoring. I think people have to be really thoughtful and planful on what they need from a mentor, like specific questions they need answered or specific things they need advice on, and not come to the conversation and just like they show up and they get invested in. Like you have to come with a plan.